In this video, we'll show you create this footer. First, add one container. Put container in full width. Searching text and drag and drop heading. Text alignment on center. And then change the text. In a style tab, a little text shadow. Copy and paste heading and reduce size of heading, and then change the text and remove text shadow. Add two containers. Put container in full width. Searching button and add two buttons. Alignment buttons on right and left. In a style tab, change the color of right button to blue and left button to white. Change the text color to black. Go to icon library and add play icon. In a style tab, a little border on bottom and a little border radius, and add drop shadow effects. On padding, you can change size of button, and on blue button, a little border radius. Add two containers. Put container in full width. Here, copy paste heading. And then change the text. Text alignment on left. Drag and drop text editing. Select smaller size for container. Change the color of text. Drag and drop image and add image. If the container size changes, you can edit size of container. Duplicate image and add image. Add one container. Put container in full width. Drag and drop this icon. Delete the icon and duplicate item. Icon layout inline. And change the text. Add two containers. Put container in full width. And drag and drop heading. Add your text and change size of text. Drag and drop this icon. Delete the text and add social icon. Thanks for watching this video.